Why is yawning contagious? You're about to do it too. Why is it that just talking about yawning makes you yawn? No, really, watch this. Did it work? Yawning is weird. You're not tired. You're not bored. Yet, someone yawns next to you, and suddenly you do too. Scientists call this the contagious yawn. But it's not really about being sleepy. It's about empathy. You're more likely to yawn after someone you know yawns, especially if you feel close to them. Even dogs do it, but only with their favorite humans. So, here's a test. Did you yawn while watching this video? If yes, comment below if I did. And tag someone to make them yawn too.